the emptiness and egolessness. Buddha says, this is by the truth of emptiness and egolessness that enlightened disciples are to advance along the path, to restrain their thoughts, to attain Buddhahood. Buddhahood is perfectly egolessness, imagelessness, and emptiness state of mind. If you reach that state, you become Buddha. And to reach that state, one has to transcend all the mental modifications, mental activities, and external phenomena. And there is a state which is absolutely empty, absolutely peaceful, and tranquility. And that state is not out here or elsewhere, but that state can be achieved inside the mind. And when we reach that state, then we experience which is called Samadhi, Rajya, or the Buddha. Yoga calls that Kaiwalya or Advaitam, and Buddha calls that Buddha.